Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received these lamp fixtures for viewing purposes. First thing we see when we open the box is the instruction manual with all important information about these light fixtures. And I think that they are nice because you can install them and they are dusk to dawn, so they can turn off and on automatically depending on the time of the day. They come with everything that you need to install them. Okay, and they come really well protected with lots of cardboard and every piece in a specific bag, which I think that is perfect. Okay, this is one of the main units. Let me take it out. As you can see, they have a really nice design. Here's the okay. And I think that they are great because they come with everything that you are gonna need to install them, which I think that it's really helpful. Okay, they have a really beautiful design and all the extra pieces, bits, and nuts that you are gonna need to wire them and everything, which I think that it's really nice and it seems like an easy installation. And let's go ahead and start installing them and let's see how they look. Okay, come on. Okay guys, the assembly process of these lamps is really simple. It doesn't take that much long and all the instructions are really clear, and I think that they are really nice because they feature an upgraded photocell sensor, making it ideal for outdoors and intelligently respond to ambient light levels, which I think that they are really nice. These have a durable metal and sturdy glass to withstand various weather conditions, from sun to snow, rain, ice, and these have a high quality materials that resist rust and corrosion, making them really nice for anywhere that you want to place them. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already installed and I think that they look amazing. They are perfect for the outdoors as they are waterproof, which I think that it's really nice. I placed these warm white light bulbs and I think that they look amazing. They give a really comfortable vibe to wherever you place them, your entrance door, your hallway, wherever you need them. I think that they're gonna be really nice, and overall I like them a lot and I would really recommend them. So you guys.